in this constructor method, add some code so this name contains name. This to name contains name. Line 18. Yeah, I keep forgetting all those curly braces. Save and submit code. Did you create a dog class? Yes, we created a dog class. Let me uppercase it, make sure. No, I didn't. You said it wasn't case sensitive, you dick. Huh. So it's case sensitive. Okay, that kind of sheds a little bit of light on how they're grading this whole thing. Alright, putting it all together, part 2. We're out of tea, so we need to make this one quick. Good job, we're almost there. Now let's add 2 further methods and let's create some objects. Add a public method to the dog class called bark. Add a public method to the dog class called bark. Is it public bark? No, I gotta get a hint. Public function bark. This thing. Return wolf. That one. Add a public method called greet to the dog class. Public function greet to the dog class. This method ought to return a nice sentence containing the name property of the dog, which introduces himself. Echo, hello, my name is. Create 2 instances of the dog class. Alright, new dog, new deg. Well, that doesn't sound right. Object 1, which is deg. I think it's dog. Okay, so dog 1 equals See, I'm having some trouble here. Alright, add a public method called greet to the dog class. This method ought to return a nice sentence containing the name property of the dog which introduces himself. Create 2 instances of the dog class and store the one with the name Barker in the variable dog1. What's part 3? Alright, so we have to create 2 instances of the dog class. So we're just going to copy this shit and then fill it the fuck out. Equals new dog. Alright, to create 2 instances of the dog class and store one with the name Barker. In the variable dog1. Dog1. And the other one with the name Amigo in dog2. Man, a whole mess of fucking errors. God damn it. What am I doing wrong? Hang on, we gotta go back to number 7. We're copying this and we're cheating the fuck out of this part. 7, putting it all together, done. 8, putting it all together, part 2. That's what it was. Q&A forum. Let's see what they have because I am fucking stuck. Pissing away my whole night on this. This is the only guy that is on my same one. I don't know. I'm gonna have to figure this one out tomorrow. My brain is just shot right. What's up, fellas? So I thought of this one all night last night. I thought about it while I was at work, and today I finally broke down and visited the little comment section, the Q&A forum, and I found this guy's code, which was for the most part working. And here's the working code here. I felt like such a dirty cheater, but at this point I just had to get through this exercise because last night I felt like a big pussy, and we're at 79, 80% right now, something like that. So, challenge time. Actually, let's go back to PHP, see what percentage we're at here. Let's go slow internet. All right, 80%. We are so close. I hope I can knock out this series today. So let's see. Load the page up. Awesome. Now let's try the same without the training wheels. Shit. Let's create a cat class which has 2 public properties, an isAlive property storing the value true and a numlegs property containing the value 4. there should be a public name property which should get a value when a new object is created. So assign the value to name via the construct method. Then I also want these cats to be able to add meow, so add a meow method which returns meow meow. Finally, create an instance of the cat class which has the name codecat. Okay. Whoops. Okay. Alright, create a cat class which has two public properties. So we're going to do class cat this thing, then public is alive, true, public numLegs equals 4. And we're not putting quotes around either one of them because this is not a string, it's just a true false, and this is just a number right here. I gotta watch my tea closely. I got a different kind of tea today. It's pretty good stuff. It's like a Mandarin green tea. Alright, there should be a public name property which should get a value when a new object is created. So public, and then this is a method, I think. Name, wait, public construct is it like this? Public name construct this no, wait, construct, shit, why do I keep doing that? Construct this name this, then meow method which returns meow meow. So let's see. Echo meow meow. Okay, so name, oh wait, this name equals name. What's going on line 14 here? T-string expecting variable. Shit, I don't even know what the hell that means. Hang on, let's see. We gotta get a little hint here. This is some bullshit. Sorry, this is your challenge, so I must. Oh, fuck you, man. You gotta be kidding me. I swear to God. Alright, so class dog, public is alive, true, numlegs 4, public name, public function, construct name. Okay, this is the piece we needed, right? Yeah. Let's go back here. Alrighty, that looks about right. Let's refer back to this. function construct. Name. Oh, public function construct. I didn't do public function construct. Okay, so new cat new cat which has the this name equals. Wait. No, that's not how it went. Part 2. And my internet is sure making an embarrassment out of me right now. Alright, let's try this little piece right here. I think this is the one that I need. I've still got that dead pixel, by the way, which is really starting to chap my ass. Anyway, let's go down here. Alright, new cat. Paste in that piece of code, dog2. Alright. Ah, still getting me. Alright, let's figure this one out. Alright, cat1, new cat, code cat, echo, cat1, meow. Has the name code cat, store the variable cat1, then call meow method on this cat. Echo, cat1, meow. Echo, meow, meow. So for some reason, I think I messed up the little brackets thing. So squiggle open, squiggle, close, squiggle open, squiggle, close. I need another squiggle. Yes! Please tell me this is the right code. What? My what method? Oh. Returns meow meow. Return. Alright, start next lesson. We're rolling along here. We're cheating, but we're rolling along. Well done. Mission accomplished. In this course, you've learned the basics of object-oriented programming, or OOP for short. You know what a class is. You know what an object is. You know that you create objects using green eggs and ham, as you simply create an instance of a class to create a new object. You know how to create classes and objects. You know how to add properties to a class. You know how to add methods to a class. You know how to use construct method and the new keyword. You know the arrow notation. Actually, you know quite a lot. The next course even dives deeper in object-oriented programming, and you'll learn some nice concepts like inheritance or what constants are. If you want to, you may have a look at the hint. Echo the following sentence. Now I know the basics of object-oriented programming. Echo. Now I know the basics of OOP. Whew. Alright, let's tweet this motherfucker, end this hellish video, and then upload that bitch. God, this has been a really big exercise in patience. This one actually took me 2 days. I feel like I kind of let you guys down a little bit, but let's see what percentage we're at now. 82%. Oh, shit. That means what we did just now was only 2%. Ah. All right. Anyway, see you in the next video. I may or may not do it tonight, but yeah. What's up, guys? And we are back. All right, cool. So we're at 82%. It's been like 2 weeks. I'm pretty sure that I've forgotten everything except for how to do a PHP include and a PHP echo statement. So this one's going to be rough. All right, let's hit continue right here. We're at 82%. I can't wait because we're going to do a couple of these other courses first, and we're going to kind of build it up from like a web developer point of view. Because lately I've really been getting into some other things like Node.js and stuff like that. So much stuff. All right, anyway, today's lesson is going to be a refresher on what we did last time, luckily, because I totally forgot everything. And you guys probably haven't, because you probably just watched all the rest of the videos, which are probably getting up to somewhere around like 5 hours now. Anyway, we don't have any tea this week. We got this big old jug of Ozarka here, which tastes pretty good. Alright, so if you remember the last few videos, we've been doing object-oriented PHP, which is all about how you do your like functions and methods and whatever that stuff is there. It's all modular. Anyway, it's good shit. Anyway, so object-oriented PHP helps your code stay flexible by allowing it to be only defined once but used in many places. So class name, this could be whatever word, and then these curly braces here usually have some type of like functions or, you know, whatever this class is going to be like. So class name, the variable, $ class name equals new class name. Let me zoom in a little bit here to help you guys. Alrighty. Class name equals new class name function. We've already learned how to create objects from the classes we define, so let's run through a little refresher. Remember, we use the class keyword to define our class. So class name, new class name. So define a person class. Alright, so we make the class like this. Class, person, curly braces. Okay. And then here, create a instance called me here. Create a person instance called me here. Create a new variable, me. How did we create variables again? And store a new person in it. Okay, me equals new person. I think it goes like this. Okay, so stuck, get a hint. Let's see what the hint says just in case so we don't look like idiots. Class name. Okay, we did that. My object, new class name. Yeah, I think we did it right. Alright, cool, we did it right. Alright, cool. So we haven't forgotten too much. I've been messing around with a lot of other languages and it's kind of clouded up the way the way that I remember this being last time. Let me zoom out just a bit. Am I zooming in or zooming out? What am I doing here?